I found hell in Warsaw, Missouri. Two of my vehicles were vandalized within the first year of my second attempt to live in Warsaw, Missouri. I've been hit by a SUV. Oakley Transport has terminated my employment because of destruction of property during a delivery in which I drove an entire winter with no heat in the sleeper bunk. Later I disclosed to my Oakley Transport company that I drove for that I could not see. I had already reported to them that I had lost control of my bladder as a result of diabetes type 2. There is no help for this man for which you are listening to right now. I've been denied my inheritance, my father's home, by Lloyd Watkins. I don't believe that there is any help or hope or justice in America. My neighbors have referred to me as "what up, my nigga," while they are white. It's just so much stuff in this world that don't make sense that happens anyway. I am raising the flag on all offenders of my life, those that swept stuff under the rug, those that think they had the right to be above me and I should be below them. I hope, and you know what? I don't got no good hope for y'all. I really truly hope that Satan just take y'all away and keep y'all in hell somewhere, cause y'all niggas is ridiculous.